Hello guys, this is fairbinaryoptions.com. It is Friday and the US markets are about to open in something like 30 minutes. I would like to buy put options on the euro and the Great Britain pound. The reason for that comes with this structure here. As you can see, we have a series of higher lows. This is a low. This is another low. And then yet another series of two lows, and normally this is a bullish sign. You might say, okay, so why buying put options when this is a bullish sign? Well, the thing is that it resembles with a possible beginning of a contracting triangle. Now the contracting triangle that I'm looking for goes like this. So it goes from here to the upside, and it goes wave A all the way to the upside, the B wave here, the C wave here, then a D and an E, and then for price to break lower. This is at least the scenario that I'm looking for on this euro Great Britain pound. Like any other contracting triangle, this one travels from the A and C and the B to D trend line, and like in any contracting triangle, the B to D trend line is the most important one. So from here to here to here to here is the most important one. Now we have an interesting situation here, and that comes not from the fact that this is a triangle, but from the movement or the move price makes until this contracting triangle. Well, the thing is that from the absolute lows that we have here, we have another contracting triangle of a bigger degree, as you can see. Like this. And then if you clone it and put this one here, it is like this. So basically, this triangle acted as a reversal pattern. What does it mean? It means that price came here, consolidate in this triangular formation, and then broke higher. So the move to the upside should be labeled, or we should start to label this move from this moment of time, from this absolute lows here. Now from this absolute lows here, basically from here, we have a classical, I would say, five-way structure. And this five-way structure to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the fifth way to the upside. You might say, alright, so what would be the fifth way to the upside? Well, I'm looking for the fifth way to actually to end here. It depends very much if the wave is extended or not. So let's check together if the wave is extended there. Let's just take a Fibonacci from here to here, and then we need to take a 161.8 extension. Like this, and then to see if the previous wave here fits into this extension. And as you can see, it is actually not fitting into this extension just by little, by nevertheless. It means that this is no impulsive move. Well, if this is no impulsive move that we have, then we have all the chances in the world for the move to end with a contracting triangle as a classical A, B, C, X, and then the triangle A, B, C, D, E, and this to be only a possible wave A to the upside. So in terms of Elliott waves, I would say that this has the chances to go with this being wave A out of this degree, then the B wave, then the C wave to the upside, A, B, C, the X wave to come here, and then the triangle to start to the upside in the following situation. A, so that was the X, and then to have the A and the B and the C already completed. And now to look for the D wave and the E wave to end around those levels. Now this is a nice area to go and buy put options with end of day expiration date, because now it is Friday, and end of day would be by the time the US markets are going to close, and the US markets are going to close at 20 GMT basically now. And let's just go and say that we are buying put options. With end of day expiration date for this Euro US dollar, Euro Great Britain pound, sorry. And let's see what the market thinks of our analysis. So the reason, or the let's say the setup calls for triangle here to make a leg lower. Thank you very much for being here. FairBinaryOptions.com, and all these analysis and recommendations are possible due to the help of our sponsor here, Lionel.